What's up guys, you're watching another video. As you guys see, we got a ton of new parts for the 350Z. This actually isn't a part, this is actually the vinyl wrap for the 350Z. I had to be very careful not to show the color because the color is right here on the side and I don't want to give it away yet. It is a secret. I don't want to show you guys the color until we reveal it. But we did get the wrap for the 350Z. It's here. And also, we got a special delivery from ISR Performance, which I'm so freaking excited to open up. Last video, I showed you guys the new wheels on the 350Z. It came out insane, bro. Like, the fitment is crazy, dude. It looks so good. Honestly, the front end is probably my favorite. I love the polished lips, like how they stick out like that. I cannot wait till we wrap this car, guys. It's gonna look brand new. It looks so good, bro. Look at this, guys. The Christmas tree, I can't believe it's still here. How long ago was this video when we threw a Christmas tree on top of Hugo's E46 M3? That was a long time ago, but it's still here. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right now. We got the 350Z content, we got some GTR content, and we also have some E46 content. I know you guys missed that car. Trust me, I missed that car so much. Every single day I have comments of you guys asking what happened to the E46, where's it at, why is it just parked in the garage not getting driven. I told you guys in a few vlogs before that something happened to the E46. It's obviously still here, it obviously runs, it starts up just fine. Honestly, should we start it real quick before we get into the unboxing? I'll start the E46 for you guys because I know a lot of you guys miss how it sounds. Probably need to jump start it. I doubt this thing's gonna start. If it starts, I'll be surprised, but I doubt it. There's no way. Look at this shit, guys. Oh my god, poor E46, dude. I promise, guys, I'm gonna bring this car back to life. I'll make an entire video on it soon, guys, I promise. Oh, it's not gonna start. We're gonna get it back up and running and I'm gonna start driving it a lot more often this year, I promise. Like, it's kind of hard to build 3 different cars at once. I gotta buy tires for my GTR. I'm trying to mod the 350Z as fast as I can, make it look nice. And now I gotta put some money into this stupid E46. I wanna rewrap this car, I wanna lower it. We put the new wheels on it. That was the last video you guys seen with this car, is when we threw the new Concept wheels on it. Actually, the same wheels that are on my 350Z now, but these are full polish. All right, let's see if this thing starts. Come on. Woo! I told you. It still runs, guys. Woo! The E45 is so strong, bro. With the exhaust right here. See, I still have it, guys. The turbo spool's so loud. That shit is insane. My god, bro. Do you guys see the flames? God, bro, this car is so crazy. Bro, that shit was literally on fire. That kind of scared me a little bit. Yeah, guys, this is absolutely my favorite freaking car and I will never sell it. I promise we're gonna get this thing up and running still. The E46 M3. Back to the 350Z content. We got a very special package here from ISR Performance, like I said. I already opened it and took a peek, but I'm gonna unbox it for you guys so you guys can see what we got. We got a new exhaust for the 350Z, guys. Look at this shit. Oh my god, bro, it's huge. This is gonna be crazy. That's the muffler, obviously. Got, I believe it's like a big resonator or something. Maybe another muffler. That connects to that. Bunch of hardware. Huge shout out to ISR Performance. We actually have a full exhaust for this car, guys. It's gonna be so sick. We finally could get rid of that ugly ass straight pipe, bro. It's so freaking loud. Sheesh. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Oh my god. We also got a whole white pipe for this car. Again, huge shout out to ISR Performance. They make exhaust for all kinds of cars, but we got in contact with them and now we're about to run a full ISR Performance exhaust on the 350Z. I believe it's called the 350Z GT exhaust, single exit. They also have like 2 blast pipes, like 2 exhaust tips coming out, but I wanted the big single exit. I just love 350Zs with the one big single exit. I think it looks so good with one single exit on the back. I can't wait to get rid of that shit. I know you guys hate that exhaust that's on the car right now. I hate it too. It's so freaking loud. What is that? It's honestly way too loud. It's obnoxious. I can't drive it anywhere. I'm so scared of cops because in California, as you guys know, we live in stupid California where they hate exhaust on cars. They hate modified cars. The full exhaust system for the 350Z. We got the 350Z Y pipe from ISR Performance, and we also got the rear section. 350Zs look so good with big old single exit exhaust. Look how big this shit is, bro. My whole hand fits in here. God damn.
How have we not seen that before?
Unless it did just happen. This thing, we found out. The exhaust isn't even connected, bro, to the muffler. I think it is a stock muffler, but this is why it's probably so freaking loud. Yeah, now we found another issue. So this is where the Y pipe should connect, right here. But look at that side. I don't know what they did, but they like welded the exhaust on instead of bolting it up like this. But now we're gonna have to go buy some Y pipes. I know Y pipes, test pipes. So dumb, bro. Now I'm about to go on off-road or something and see if someone's selling some test pipes for the car. And maybe we could throw it on, hopefully.
Fuck. Stupid ass exhaust.
Well guys, the muffler's off, at least. At least that's off. That shit's gonna look so sick with the single exit. This is how a Z is supposed to look, guys. There's one big ass exhaust on the back. Like always, we always run into some stupid issues with the cars. You guys seen, the other test pipe was like welded onto the exhaust. So that test pipe was pretty much gone. Like we can't even reuse it. Won't connect to the new exhaust. So I had to go find some new test pipes. Well, not new. These are actually very beat up. I found these test pipes on OfferUp the other day, so I went to go pick them up and buy them from somebody. They're not in the best condition, as you guys can see, but they should do the job. I don't even know what brand they are or anything, bro. Who wants it? Someone take it. Guys, now we ran into more issues. This is the holes for the test pipes, right? These should connect to the headers. Well, look at the ones that they previously had. This guy drilled his own holes. A whole nother hole right there. These are all drilled out even bigger. It's so stupid, bro. So I think we're gonna try to just drill out these now. I don't know what to do at this point, bro, but we're gonna just try to make it work. This is taking way too long, longer than we thought. We can't even freaking get the exhaust on, bro. This is day. I don't even know. Oh! Alright guys, we're back at it with this stupid exhaust install. It's been probably a month since I got this exhaust. And it's still not on. The car's been just sitting here with no exhaust on. We're gonna take it to the homie Rick's shop. Hopefully we're able to figure it out on a lift. It'll probably be way easier. Only thing is we have a little bit of a drive. It's probably like a 10-minute drive, maybe 15-minute drive. And we have no exhaust. It's straight out the headers.
Is that loud?
It's pretty loud, dude. It's loud, but I don't think it's worse than the freaking straight pipe I had on it. It was just as loud probably. We'll see. Hopefully we don't get pulled over. That's our mission right now. If we get pulled over with no exhaust, I don't know what the heck I'm gonna tell the cop. I don't even know. I can't even bullshit out of that one. I can't say it's stock. This is gonna suck.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I haven't seen that.
It's pretty good, huh?
This should look sick.
There's a little bit of carbon.
It actually looks really sick.
Guys, this shit is so horrible. Something's rubbing on the bottom of the car and it sounds like the engine's knocking, but it's not. It's just something dangling on the floor like this.
It does feel very smooth.
No, it does not, David. This shit feels like how it looks, guys. That's how it feels. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking windshield wiper, bro.
At least you got carbon fiber.
Yeah, we got some nice carbon fiber, nice seats, nice wheels. That's about it. Everything else is shit. Do you guys hear that shit? Oh my god! And this road's the worst street you can take a car on. Guys, like we're supposed to make a left right now, but there's cops over there. Oh hell no!
Beautiful. The most nicest 350 in SoCal. Hold up. We're gonna get Rick's reaction, you guys. We're gonna get Rick's reaction. Look at what happened? Look at the time. Look at the time. it does look clean though, bro. Like from the side, it looks hella clean. And huh? What can you do to it right now?
Made it to the homie shop. You guys might remember this shop. We used to bring my E92 to get smogged here all the time. Now we brought my GTR to get smogged, if you guys get a smog. But yeah, we thought it'd be easier here since he has a lift, instead of us trying to work under the car in my driveway, bro, which is impossible.
Was it that's okay where like that shit just tilted over?
Oh, you saw that? You know I was on homie? Chris? Let it fall off the lift.
Like this?
At this point, I don't care. We had to drill an extra hole down here to match with the headers. I don't know what kind of headers are on this car, but I don't think they're like, I don't know, bro. This shit is smaller than the actual test pipe. So like, that's why we had to drill an extra hole right here. The only other option after this was to buy like brand new headers and just go literally a full exhaust setup, but I'm not trying to do that. I'm not trying to buy new headers and install them. Now everything should bolt up perfectly. Watch this shit not line up. It doesn't.
Oh, what happened?
Flip it around, flip it around.
What happened, Nick?
Bro, I'm literally gonna just
What happened, bro?
fuck no rig.
Bro, you didn't measure it before? Let me see what's up. You lie, bro.
You know what you have to do?
Just flip them. Here, hold it. Hold it.
No,
hold it.
Bro, it's all because the fucking headers don't line up.
Oh my god.
Because these are crooked, bro. That's why. So everything's gonna be crooked. It's not gonna fit, bro. Guys, look at that. It looks way better, bro. Finally, we got this stupid ass exhaust on. Not stupid exhaust, but stupid car. The exhaust is sick, but it was a pain in the ass to install with the condition of the car, bro. Oh my god, guys. Finally, we have the new exhaust on, bro, and it sounds so much better. As you guys can tell, it's not crazy in here. It's actually really quiet. Like, it's not loud at all. I can actually talk in here, not a loud drone. Oh, it is scraping though. This car is way too low and it's scraping up the nice, beautiful exhaust, which bums me out because I don't want to mess it up. The whole exhaust is just scraping on every little bump, bro. It's probably gonna get all scratched up. I'm gonna try to raise up this car as soon as I can. I'm not gonna drive it. Ooh, it sounds bad. I'm not gonna drive it until I raise the car up because I don't want to mess up the exhaust. But guys, it sounds so much better. Bro, it sounds clean. Like, it doesn't sound bad. And honestly, it's a lot quieter than I thought. I thought it was gonna be way louder, but it's actually quiet, which I'm not mad at, bro. Usually I like loud cars, but I like the tone right now. It's not that loud and it sounds clean. That's what I wanted with the 350Z. Don't get me wrong, it's still pretty loud, but it sounds nice. What are you doing, bro? We're one step closer, guys, to having a nice Z, dude. Now the car sounds nice. I still gotta fix the starter and then just fix all the bodywork and wrap the car, and the car should be complete. It should look really good and it should be daily drivable, which is sick. Which I'm looking forward to. I just want to daily drive this car. Slowly but surely. Definitely a little project car, bro, for sure. Bro, it sounds clean. It's quiet, bro. Honestly, it's really quiet. These past couple weeks trying to install this exhaust got me so unmotivated, I wanted to just quit. I mean, you guys heard me yesterday. I was like, I'm at the point where I'm regretting it, but that exhaust was just a pain in the ass. But I'm glad that muscle shop helped me out and fix it, so shout out to them. They made it work somehow. They did some cutting and stuff and it works. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, it looks way better with the single exit. I think 350Zs have to have a single exit. Like, it just matches the car perfectly. I'm glad the previous owner already did like a bumper tuck where like they tuck up the bumper. Look at the door. It's scraping the whole exhaust, which sucks, but I don't know what else to do. Look, it's already mounting my bumper, so we're gonna have to fix that somehow. Do a little exhaust test so you guys can hear it. right here. Alright guys, oh there you go, there you have it, new exhaust for the 350Z. No one's here to help me record, so I got the best footage I could. But yeah guys, the Z sounds way better than that raspy straight pipe it had. Again guys, huge shout out to ISR Performance if you guys want an exhaust for your Z, Infinity. And they have so many other exhausts, 240s and stuff. Yeah, this exhaust sounds super freaking clean, bro. Not too loud, not too quiet. So yeah guys, I know this video took like 2 weeks to make from when we first started filming, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys smash the like button for me, subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.